Hi student, this is class 2nd. Subject name is GK. The name of this chapter is balls in game. As we are playing different games and in the games we are using different balls. Okay, these balls are different in size, different in shapes. Now in this chapter I am going to discuss these different kind of balls. You have to also see, I know that you are familiar with these balls and I will give you time. Okay, you have to give the proper answer. What is the name of this particular ball? Okay, so the first ball is, first game is cricket. So which ball, which type of balls we are using in cricket? Okay, like this ball we are using in cricket. Look in the PPT. Oh, this ball is heavy and outer part of is leather. Okay, this ball is heavy in size and it is hit with the wooden cricket. Normally it is in black and normally it is in red and white color. Okay, you have to recognize what is the name of this game. You can look, this red ball is there and player they are playing with the wooden cricket bat. So what is the name of this game? Cricket. Okay, so again I am repeating, this ball is heavy, outer part of is leather, it is hit with a wooden cricket bat. It is also in red and white color. So next is hockey. Which type of ball we are using in hockey? You have to give answer, then I will show you. Like this ball we are using in hockey. This ball is also hard and heavy. It is hit by the player with the wooden stick to do goal. As we are watching hockey in the TVs and newspaper, and what they are doing, players, two teams they are playing with the wooden stick and they are hitting the ball and putting the goal. So like this. What is name of this game? See, the players they are doing, they are having stick in their hands and ball and they are putting goal. What is the name of this game? Is hockey. Next one is basketball. Okay, so which type of ball we are using in basketball? Okay, you are familiar with the basketball. This ball is large in shape. It is made by rubbers. Lines are there on the ball. Players try to put the ball in the ring to do the goal. This, so look at there are two teams. One is black and one is in white, and they are putting this ball in a ring. Okay, the name of this is basketball. So this next one is what is the name of this ball? This is rugby. Okay, it is, this rugby is, this is oval shape like an egg. In this game one player take the ball to do the goal, but other team player they are stopping or trying snatch the ball. Okay, see like this, there are two team players, one is green color and one is red color. So he is doing this goal, but others player they are stopping. So what is the name of this game? Rugby. Next is table tennis. Okay, this ball is light in weight and also you can look at the PPT. See, I am keeping the cursor there. Okay, this ball is light in weight and small in size. It is hit by the wooden racket. It is top part is of rubber. Okay, this is the this racket is there and it is on one table, so that is why this name is given table tennis. Okay, next you have to recognize this ball. What is the name of this ball? Give me answer. Name of this ball is baseball. Okay, this ball is big in shape. It is made by rubber. It is hit with a wooden stick which is thin in size. Okay, see in the PPT, the player they are doing hit to ball and the name of this is baseball. Okay, next we are having golf. Okay, what we are doing, this ball is small in shape but heavy. Okay, it is small in shape but heavy. Its color is white. Player hit the ball with the long stick to put in hole. This stick is made up of metal. Okay, like this they are doing. Okay, student, thank you for watching this video. Here in this video you have to see this video again and again and try to solve the answers. You have to write the name from yourself, because I already discussed what is the shape of this, how the players are doing with this game. So thank you for watching this video.